Hello everyone, I am Pramit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a limousine out of Lego 10696 Classic, which is here. So now let's build that limousine. And these are the parts that we made. First take this. Oops, I got this. These 4 pieces. Actually, we are going to make it more messier. So let's just do more Okay. Let's put this. Let's take this chassis, and we'll need these for later at the last. This will be first piece of the day. Have to be careful. Don't want to break the Lego. Now, let's mix all the black pieces. Let me fix them in. I have to see carefully to make them proper. If some are loose, I better stick them in properly. Actually, putting these are very tough for me, but I still get hang of it. Next, these 4. Oops. Moment routine it's okay. Put this over here and this piece over here. This piece over here. This piece over here. These 2 pieces over here. That's very okay. Now this piece. Now 1 piece like this. Then with this. One like this. 2 like this. One like this. 2 like this. One like this. 2 reds like this. Two invisible glasses. Here, this back, 1, and the final last part. I'm lifting it. 3rd wheel. Put in. But now it will be easier to put the 4th wheel. Just push this in. Done. Now let's take a closer look. Look at this. Oh, he fell off the table. Here he is. Mama got it. Wow. Look. Failed. Look. Wow. He fell off the table. Now. Woo. He didn't open it. Oh, it broke. 2 pieces. Let's put them together. I accidentally broke 1 piece. So you can see over here, I'm a little bit clumsy, I know that. And this is how I make it. But don't would break Lego. It's not nice. So now, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name. If you want to spell my name with me, let's spell it P-R-A-M-I-T, Pramit. Bye-bye.